Hi, my name is Jay, and my wife Sandy. We're the Hansons, and we're the owners of ArtiSands LLC. And as the name suggests, we are a sand art company. We make kits, and we also do custom work and bulk designs. And I'll show you how easy it is. This is a simple butterfly. Just kind of our demonstration. They're all done the same way. You pull off one of the pieces, a little sticky surface underneath, and I take my colored sand, coat it, work it in just a little bit, tap it off. Instant, permanent, beautiful picture every time. Always stay inside the lines. And that's how it's done right there.
And how'd you get started?
My dad invented this process back in 1989, and in the long story short, we bought the business from him, moved it from Wisconsin to Arizona, and we're now set up down in Maricopa, and we come to Sibley's regularly and give demonstrations.
Yeah, you've been great, and we sell a variety of your different sand art kits.
This, for instance, is the very appropriate desert creepers, which has a snake and a tortoise and a horned lizard, the Gila monster, the scorpion, all these the favorite black widow spider. Each kit comes with the 6 designs you see on the front and all the colors inside that you need, and then some. Plus a tray to work in, the whole bit for a complete sand painting suite right there. That's one. We have All Stars, similar thing, 6 different themes for 6 different sports. And the larger format, we have 8x10. These are the 5x7, these are 8x10. And this is more of our sand painting, large format, 8x10 format. Again, all the colors you need, a tray to work in, your images, blanks right back there, a frame to display them in, everything you need right there to do that. And it's all a standalone, and you end up with a beautiful, perfect picture every single time. If there's no paint by number, you color it any way you like. You're more than welcome to use the images on front as a guide, but you can color it any way you like.
For last year, we did the tumbleweed tree.
Yes, we
during
did.
The Chandler tumbleweed tree. You guys came out and had a special design for that.
We did. We created a sand art tumbleweed tree, and I believe a Santa's shed, and those were very popular. Busy from the moment we got here until even after hours.
Well, thanks for being a part of Sibley's West.
You're